po, good afternoon po. Today we're going to conduct an interview po about religion sa PHL po namin. So is it okay lang po?
Yes po.
Thank you so much po. So I am Jessa Yapet Kapaken po from H11B and you are po?
Angel De Chimo from STEM E12E.
Thank you so much po. For the first question po, what do you think are the biggest challenges we face when it comes to understanding different religions in the Philippines po?
According to my first experience, personal experience, I think the biggest challenges that we face when it comes to experiencing the challenges that we face when it comes to religion is knowing our boundaries and respect. Kasi I think I have that friend when I was in grade 11 and nag-aaway kami about her religion kasi they are saying that their religion is better than us kasi according to the Bible, according to that. I think the challenges is hindi natin inaalam yung boundary and yung respect natin kasi hindi naman tayo lumaki sa isang di tayo parehas na saan tayo lumaki, hindi tayo parehas kung saan tayo lumaki, tapos kung paano tayo pinalaki. I think the biggest challenge is knowing your boundary and by setting respect to each other's perspective kasi dapat first thing na dapat ini-implement natin when it comes to that is respect talaga.
Ayun, oo nga naman po. Thank you so much po. And for the second question po, how can people reconcile with strong personal faith while oftenly accepting other religions po? Bali connected po sa number 1.
Yeah, so yun na nga yung sinabi ko. So, our biggest challenges is respect talaga, no? So, para mag-reconcile yung mga people to better understand each other is understand each other's faith. Kung ano yung perspective ng isa, they should just respect it. Kasi ganun din naman yung gusto na mangyari ng isa is gusto niya lang din naman ipagtanggol yung religion niya, kung ano man, kung saan man siya lumaki. So, want niya lang naman na ma-respect din yun, tas ma-acknowledge. So, I think better to do is for them to reconcile is to just respect each other's religion po.
Ayun. Thank you so much for answering our questions. Your answers will truly help us more understand po about religions po. Thank you so much po.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so hello po, good afternoon po. I am Jessa Yapet Kapaken po from H11B. So today po we're going to ask you a few questions lang po for our PHL project po. If is it okay po for you? Hi po. So, the first question po is in your opinion po, what can young people like us do to promote understanding and respect among different religious groups po?
For me, I think kailangan maging aware tayo sa mga differences ng iba't ibang religion and kailangan nating irespeto yung differences na yun. For instance, merong mga taong hindi kumakain ng mga certain ng pagkain. Pwede naman tayong mag-adjust na wag na lang natin silang handaan ng ganong pagkain or mag-prepare tayo ng alternatives na ipapakain sa kanila. So, basically, it's all about respect and awareness na lang sa differences ng iba't ibang religion.
Ayun, oo nga po naman. So, thank you so much for the second question naman po. Is it true that religious unity would be possible po? Or should our society po focus more into coexisting peacefully with one another po?
I think it's the second one, yung our society should focus more into coexisting peacefully with one another. I think kaya naman natin mag-coexist peacefully without doing unity na pag-iisahin talaga lahat ng religion. And since kung may respect talaga and awareness, dun po pwede tayong mag-exist ng may iba't ibang beliefs, may iba't ibang cultures, and through that, sa mga differences na yun, pwede natin yung magamit as one. Pero hindi naman kailangan na mag-change tayo in just one certain. Pwede pa natin magamit yung differences na yun to be able to create a more peaceful and more harmonious society. And para doon, hindi naman natin kailangan magbago ng ibang religion para lang ma-satisfy natin yung ibang religion. And for that, meron din tayong mga meron din tayong mga boundaries para mag-coexist. So, I think possible naman din yung mag-coexist.
Yan, coexist without any barricades po na hindi magsiswitch. Tama nga naman po. Thank you so much po. Sorry, can you introduce yourself po? What strand and name po?
I'm Kate Amelie B. Gallinero. I'm from STEM E12B po.
Okay po.
Thank you.
And that's all po. Thank you so much po. Thank you po.
So, for the last question po, how have religious difference impacted your personal experiences or the experience of people you know?
Hindi naman ma-apekto yung pagka-friendship ko namin sa isa't isa. Dahil wala naman po akong pake sa religion. Depende lang po naman sa pagkatao nila. Anong ugali nila. Doon po po pinabisip ko sa friendship.
Hindi po kayo agad mag-judge dahil po sa religion po nila.
Kahit ano nga, Muslim ka,